guys, welcome to my channel and welcome from this beautiful place called Mount Abu. As you can see, currently we are at the honeymoon point, but because the weather has been quite unpredictable here, it's totally misty. I'm just going to show you how it looks. Currently we are on our way to Arbuda Devi temple and it's raining and we are literally enjoying the weather right now. We have to climb around 300 steps, so I'll keep you posted how it goes. Now starts our 300 steps and let's see how it goes. Real test of fitness today. We walked for some like 50 steps and right now it's raining quite heavily. I mean, the camera isn't picking up anything, I guess, but it's raining. Right, Shashwat? So guys, we just visited the temple and आप मेरी हालत देख के समझ सकते हो that it has been raining like crazy. It rained like crazy. I'm totally drenched right now and the experience was really good. I would highly recommend coming here. It's a tad bit difficult to get inside the gufas and go around, but it is amazing and you should definitely give it a try. And now we are heading back down and to our next location. A quick info which I didn't give earlier is that mobile phones and cameras are not allowed inside the temple. So be sure that you deposit them outside the counter only and don't take them inside because otherwise they get really antsy about it. So yeah. We are in the next location right now, which is the Nakki Lake right behind me, and over there somewhere you can see the toad rock. Currently we are all here, serious people concentrating on boating. That's the toad rock there. It has a trek of about some 200 steps, but we are not going to be doing that today because I guess the formation would be much more visible and clear from here, and from up there it'll be just the similar view which we'll get from other places also. So enjoy the view of the toad rock. Enter the room. There is a small cabinet here, then a mini bar sort of thing, then there's a decently sized washroom, a dressing area kind of thing. Hi guys, totally drenched. And then a very cozy, nice bed. As you can see, there's some seating area probably, and then there's a balcony with this view, which is not a very great view, but it's fine. So yeah, that's the room tour. So currently we are on our way to Guru Shikhar. It's day 2 at Mount Abu, and the views are crazy, as you can see. People were not wearing masks, so I was too scared to vlog here, but enjoy the views. It started raining quite heavily at Guru Shikhar, so we came down and we went to our next location, and just look at the views. This is the same spot where Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak was shot, and oh my god, I was mesmerized by this view. After we were done soaking in the beauty at shooting point, we went on to our next location, the Achalgarh Fort.
में जैन मंदिर में तब्दील हो गया था। अच्छा, इसके अंदर 1444 मन पंच धातु की गोल्ड की अपने से ऊंची ऊंची 14 मूर्तियां हैं। फिर उधर ही चामुंडा माता का 5000 वर्ष प्राचीन मंदिर है, और काली माँ की गुफा है। आपने करण अर्जुन मूवी देखा है?
हाँ जी।
उसके अंदर कैसा काली माँ का पूरा पत्थर का खड़ा मूर्ति है, उस टाइप की गुफा के अंदर खड़ा मूर्ति है, जहाँ पे राजा गोपीचंद ने 14।
So right now we are at Achalgarh, and the views are amazing. If you can see, it's really amazing. Currently walking through some really beautiful and untouched terrain and heading towards the Chamunda Mandir. Let's see how the view is there, but for now, can you see the amount of greenery that's here? It's beautiful, like truly beautiful. Achalgarh, you get this panoramic view of Mount Abu, and from there you can see that's the highest peak of Aravalli, which is Guru Shikhar, where we did go, but we didn't get this view because it was damn misty, and you can see it's still really misty, but the views are amazing. And then my friends, we are trekking to the Chamunda Devi temple, and let's see when we will reach there. This is quite the trek, and I'm not able to vlog and walk together, so trying my level best, but आगे का terrain देख के लग नहीं रहा, it's gonna be too tough. So that's the way. So I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna go shoot some B-rolls for you. So everyone is struggling. And he's struggling along with the bag, and the rest of the gang is just trying to meddle through the rocks. जब आपको shortcut भारी पड़ता है. Quite an adventure, honestly. I would highly recommend coming here, but don't take the shortcut. We have bruises, and I'm not sure about the others. I have a bruise in my hand, and it's seriously a little bit scary, but yeah, the views are amazing. You can just see the views are amazing. We are literally in the middle of like nowhere. I would recommend this and I will not recommend this at the same time. But if you want to do it, you definitely should. So guys, after we were done at Achalgarh Fort, we went for lunch, and I didn't vlog there. The place was not really good where we went for lunch. That is why I'm not even gonna recommend it. Though it was filled with people, but the food was very average. Certain elements were nice, I won't lie, but I didn't like that place that much. But then we went to Dilwara Temple, which was the last location that we had to cover in Mount Abu, and oh my god, we saved the best for the last. It was such a treat to witness such a beauty. I mean, I'm still short of words. I was short of words back then. I'm short of words right now as well. And one word of caution, mobile phones and cameras are not allowed inside the temple. That is the reason I do not have any vlog, and we took the conscious decision of keeping our mobile phones and our cameras at back of the car, and we didn't deposit them at the counter. But it was amazing. The detailing which has gone behind building this beautiful temple is beyond imagination, beyond your and beyond my imagination. You have to witness this beauty for yourself. This is a one-of-a-kind temple, and if you are looking for that one reason to plan a trip to Mount Abu, then this is that one reason. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you require any other information, then I'm also linking my blog down below, which I've already published. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please share it with your friends, and hit the like button. Comment below what are you motivated to travel to Mount Abu, and subscribe to my channel. I really want to grow on this platform. So yeah, I'll see you the next time. Bye.